Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making shrimp scampi. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1 box of spaghetti, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 cup of white wine, 4 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, then add your salt and your spaghetti. Allow your pasta to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat, then rinse your pasta with cold water. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your olive oil. Now add your shrimp. Season with the salt and pepper, then allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove them from the pan and set them aside until later. Now melt your butter. Add your shallot and garlic and saute for 2 minutes. Add the lemon juice and wine, then bring your sauce to a light simmer. Now add the red pepper flakes and parsley. Allow your sauce to reduce slightly, then return your shrimp to the pan and add your pasta and mix until well coated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.